What if I told you that you could build an AI model like this that can classify images of cats and dogs, all without writing a single line of code? Yep, I built this entire AI model with zero coding. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step, and how you can do the same if you've never written a single line of code before and are intrigued with AI. Let's dive right into it. To make this AI model, I used a free tool called Teachable Machine. It's an amazing platform developed by Google that allows anyone to create machine learning models. No coding required. You can train your model on images, sounds, or even poses, all by just uploading data or using your webcam. The link to the website will be available in the description box. Since we're building an image classifier, we're going to select Image Project, then the standard image model. Next, we have this space to upload our files. I'll rename this class as dogs and class 2 as cats. So for the dataset, we're going to use this dogs and cats images dataset from Kaggle. The link will be dropped in the description. You just click download and it'll start downloading. After the download is completed, you gotta extract the files by right-clicking on the folder, extract all. You browse the location where you want to extract the files to. In my case, this dogs and cats folder. Then hit extract, and we're done. It'll take a little bit of time as there are 1,000 images. Next, we'll click the dog and cat folder, and we see there are two folders. Inside the dogs folder, we have dog images, and inside the cat folder, we have the cat images. We'll click upload, then choose images from your files, and navigate to the folder where the files are saved. We'll select dogs, and I'll select around 40 images for dogs. Upload them, and similarly upload the cat images. Around 40 of them. Now we just click the train model, and the training will soon begin. You might get this alert pop-up. You just click wait. And awesome, the model is now training. It's kind of like teaching the AI to recognize what a cat or a dog looks like. Great, the model is now trained. It's time to test it out. We'll click this drop-down menu, then File, choose image from your files, and we'll select one of the images. Remember to select an image that was not in the sample that we uploaded. So let's select a cat, and the AI predicts it as a cat. Now let's go ahead and select a dog. Again, not the image that was in the sample data. We'll select this one. And great, our AI detects it as a dog. Now it's your turn. What kind of AI models are you going to try? Whether it's classifying animals, objects, or something else entirely. I'd love to hear about it. Let me know in the comments what you created and how it turned out. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more awesome AI projects.